What's up, guys? Welcome back. Now we're gonna talk about stochastic. Stochastic, it's is this indicator right here. The settings is just the regular 533. Simple. Levels, I have 10, I have 90, I have 20, and I have 80. So make sure you do these ones. I have in color black so I can see them, but you have this template, so it should come with it. Let's talk about stochastic. Stochastic, the way it works, it's just an extra confirmation for trend. I use it for the trend, and I also use it for I also use it for the second level to get back in the trend. So let's talk about the second level right here. So stochastic, the way it works is just oversold and overbought positions. Whenever it's at the 10, between the 10 and the 20, it's a perfect entry. The same thing right here. You know, 10 and 80 is like perfect entry. Like you will get a really good entry. But this is the way that I use stochastic. You know, I have made more videos about stochastic, how to get perfect entries, but I don't want to talk about that because I use stochastic more for this. So for the new people, it's better for you to learn stochastic the way I'm gonna teach it to you right now. And for my previous students, you guys already know what how to look and how to get in the perfect entry. So I'm gonna go over so that way that everybody knows how I use it. So right here we see the fake out. It works on any level anyways, but sometimes it's too fast, you know, so it's better to keep in mind just the just keep in mind the 10 and the 20 and the 90 and the 80. So let's say second level, it dropped, you know, the fake out, bam, look at what it did right here. It made a little W. So it was already oversold. So, and you know, it was also a fake out. So when it's oversold, you know that it has to go to the 80 and the 90. But let's check out the 1 hour. Look at that 1 hour. It happened too fast. But at the time, these two lines, the red one, the signal, and the other line, the red and the blue were close enough to the 20 or the 80 for you to take the trade. So the way that stochastic works is if you want to get a perfect entry, the 1 hour chart, stochastic on the 1 hour, has to be near the 10 and the 20 and also the 50-minute. Okay? Let me repeat that. For you to know that you're gonna get a perfect entry, you need to do a couple things. You need to make sure that your AGMT line is there. It drops 20 to 50 pips as a fake out, and your extra confirmation, because keep in mind stochastic is for extra confirmation. Your extra confirmation will be that on the 1 hour chart, it's going to be already by the 10 or the 20, and so the 50-minute one. And so the 50-minute one. Okay? When that happens, you're going to get a perfect entry. Right here. Sorry, I was looking at this. Right here. So that's the stochastic. That's how it works. So stochastic, you're going to use it for confirmation. All it is you're going to follow more the 1 hour. You're going to follow more than 1 hour. And the 15 minutes is your entry. Okay? 15 minutes is your entry. You're going to follow the 1 hour stochastic. Now, look at right here. This happened the day before the closing. We already knew this was last level. Why? Because it was choppy. And then this is the second leg M, nasty M. But this was choppy last level. But I got in a trade on my live account. I got in a trade right here. Right here, I believe. Why did I get in the trade right here? It was already overbought, super overbought. I got in a trade right here in this candle. Why did I get in the trade? Because the hour was already, you know, near the 80 and the 90. There was already divergence, but I'm not going to talk about divergence because I don't really use divergence. But it was already overbought. But the 15-minute, it went from here, obviously went down, so that was a good entry. But it came back up. When it came back up, it did the M in here, and then this is the M right here. So last level, we were looking for the M. I got in this trade right here in this candle because it was already overbought and oversold. Okay? And the 1 hour, obviously, it was already done. Overbought and oversold. So that's how you use the stochastic. Okay? So let's check about some trades. Right here, let's say entry in this candle. Why? Because it's already overbought and oversold. If you want to get extra confirmation, you're going to wait until the blue one crosses the red. Then that's a confirmation of a trend reversal. Okay, let me repeat that. In stochastic, you're looking at on that 1 hour. Is it overbought? Is it oversold? It is one of those? Yes. You're going to go on the 15-minute. Is it overbought? Is it oversold? If it's a yes, then it's a go. And then full confirmation will be right when the blue crosses the red. If you get in a trade and they haven't crossed yet, but you already did your level counting, you already know this is the fake out, and then you already get in the trade, but this line haven't crossed yet, don't worry about it. As long as you did your previous confirmation, this candle is going to make the lines cross. This candle is going to make the line cross. This candle didn't have the line crossed yet. You know? Because right here, if you can see, delete this. If you can see here, at some point these two were pointing down anyways, but this candle was the one that made it cross. But let's say that you're getting in this trade and this candle, that candle, then you're good. So that's all is stochastic. Stochastic is just for extra confirmation to get in on a perfect entry. Happens all the time. See right here. If this is your entry candle, you got in the trade because it was already overbought. This candle was the one that made it cross. And if you get in the trade, let's say you're getting in the trade right here, right? And then this thing goes up and it's blue and you're negative. But you already know that the line crossed, you're good. You can even put another entry right here, maybe. You can even put another entry. That's an extra 5-6 pips. And then the line cross. But this is the fake out. You don't want to get on fake outs. You want to always ride along with the trend. You know, on an uptrend, you only buy. On a downtrend, you only sell. I had tried it I'm a good scalper, you know. But when you're scalping the market when you're counter trading, it's kind of tricky. I mean, you gotta be careful. I'm not gonna lie. But if you want to counter trade, it's up to you. But that's, you know, I don't want to talk about that, you know, because I want to talk to you about getting in the right direction, not in the wrong direction. So that's how you use the stochastic, you know. right here, that's it. Let's check about on the hour. It was already oversold. You see? So it's already oversold. Oversold. This candle closed on top of the 61.8, and it made the stochastic line cross. The blue crosses the red. That's your entry right here. Bam. If you would have let that trade go, that's easy. If you would let it go all the way up, easy 129 pips. Extra confirmations. That's all it is. Stochastic is just for extra confirmation. So let's talk about what's going to happen Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday, you see, it's already oversold. And then it's already oversold right here. So what's Sunday going to happen? That we talk about. Hold on. Let me delete this. So Sunday, we already know that this is the highest point. I don't know if it's going to make a lower low, but as of right now, let's say it's right here. So Sunday, it needs to go to the 50 and then drop. Second level. Fake out, bam, go with the trend. It does correlate with this. So see right here, it's already oversold. So what it needs to do, it needs to go to the overbought direction and sold the 1 hour. So, you know, that's just extra confirmation. A stochastic extra confirmation, that's all it is. So it's already oversold. So we're gonna let it go. We're gonna let the stochastic go to the 80 and the 90. We're gonna count levels on the candles. I'm gonna talk about the levels on the candle when I do my next video on price action and technical analysis. So we're gonna let it go to the 80, the 90 on the hour, and so on the 15. If you see confirmation is already overbought and on the 1 hour, overbought on the 50-minute, and is already by the 50 of the 38.1.2, sorry, then that's your trade. Easy. Easy, 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 easy. Okay? So that's a stochastic. Perfect entries. This is extra confirmation to get into trade. Alright? So hopefully you like this video. I want to work on the next video right now.